Hi guys, I'm Dr. Tara Tobias. I want to welcome you all back to my channel. In today's tutorial, this is another just kind of midweek bonus video that was inspired by a comment that I received, and fortunately, due to our social distancing, or for some of you even self-quarantining that we're doing right now, I have a little bit of extra time on my hands, so I'm able to add these little bonus videos in during the week. But this video was inspired by a couple of viewers that want to start building a kind of a home gym and wanted to know what my suggestions were, what my recommendations were as far as how to kind of get that started. So that is what we're going to go through today. But before I dive into that, if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. I upload at least one video a week with information or suggestions on how to help you enhance your home exercise program. So again, if you're new, I welcome you to this community. Now let's go ahead and start building our home gym. I've mentioned this in a few videos. The foundation of a good home gym start with a mat table, especially if you have significant movement limitations, meaning you have difficulty standing up from a chair, you have difficulty laying down in bed, difficulty walking. The reason is that there's really just no good place to do your exercises and really feel good quality movement without being on a firm surface. And getting on and off the floor just really isn't convenient for a lot of people. The other thing that I love about these high-low mats, regardless of what stage you are at in the recovery process, because it is height adjustable, it really can accommodate you for a variety of sitting exercises as well as laying down exercises. So there's a few videos where I talk about adjusting the height of the surface that you're sitting on, and because this is adjustable, you can start with a little bit higher, which is going to make standing up a little bit easier, and then as you get better, you can start lowering the height a little bit. I also like it because if you do want to get on and off the floor at the lowest setting, it does make it a lot easier to get down to the floor and then get back up because it's a lower surface to kind of get yourself back up onto. So that would be number one. Number two product on my home gym wish list is one of these step stools with a handle. There's so many things that you can do with it. I probably have at least 10 videos on this channel where I use this step stool for either a standing activity, a balance activity, a kneeling activity. I use it to show you how to get on and off the floor, and I'll put a link for that video in the description below. But this, along with the mat table for getting on and off the floor, makes it so seamless. So you basically can just lower yourself down onto the seat, and then from this position you can either get into half kneeling or you can actually just get yourself all the way down onto the floor. The other great thing about it is when you are sitting in your wheelchair, a lot of times it's really hard to put your AFO on or for someone else to put your AFO on. So if you have your knee up above your hip when you are sitting, the ankle will flex a little bit easier. So I always suggest that my patients, that if a caregiver is helping them, to always put their foot up on this step stool when they're putting their brace on, because it does make it a lot easier. And then it really is at a great height for working on standing balance activities. So that would be my second product that I would recommend in your starter home gym kit. Number three would be the Core Max. So I've done a couple of videos with this. I think that it is so versatile. There's so many different things that you can do with it. You can use it like a stair stepper and have it on the ground. You can do arm exercises with it. I'll put a link for that video in the description below where I use it for some arm exercises. You can work your core, which is what it's actually designed for. And actually, it looks like I'm just doing a sit-up, but when you do your sit-ups in this, you actually work your back muscles and your stomach muscles at the same time. You can do a variety of laying down exercises. especially those hip extensors, which are usually pretty weak and make walking difficult. So it's a really critical exercise. So again, I love, love, love this thing, and that is the Cormac. The next thing that I think is absolutely critical is Diem. I have probably about 5 of these. I talk about them in a lot of videos. They are so great. You can use them to open bottles with. You can use them to set the Cormacs on, which I show. It's a sticky surface to prevent things from sliding. You can also set your elbow on it to make sure that your arm's not moving when you're doing some of your arm exercises and you want your elbow to stay in one spot on a table. You can set bowls on it so that when you're eating, your bowl isn't moving around when you try and eat with one hand. You can set pill jars on it so that the pill jar will stay still when you try and open it with one hand. So not necessarily just a home gym piece of equipment, but I think anyone who has any kind of arm weakness would benefit from this, as well as stabilizing some of your equipment that you have at home. So that product again is called Diem. Number 5, which I talk about probably in about 90% of my videos, are these blue Nylatex straps. Love these. They're grippy on one side, so if you have any trouble gripping onto something, they're kind of sticky on one side, so when you wrap them around your hand to hold on to a dowel rod, they work really well. If your knee flops out to the side, I use them all the time to strap people's knees together to keep your hips in alignment when you're doing some of your standing activities. And they're just easy to get on and off. If you ever need anything just to stay still and you want something to stay put, it's like the Rehab version of duct tape. You know, duct tape pretty much is an essential item to have at home if you just want something to stay put. This is kind of like if you want anything on your body just to stay put and stay in one position. So I love these. Those are Nylatex straps, and again, there'll be a link for those in the description box below. And then the last thing, I think this is number 6 maybe, would be these TheraBand loops. Come in a 5-pack, so they can pretty much meet you wherever you're at in the recovery process. TheraTubing does wear out, so they don't last forever, but it's a cheap way to get started, get a little bit of resistance in. They are great. You can use a couple of them at the same time, which I just showed recently in a video, to kind of work your arms and your legs at the same time. So I think it is a perfect thing as part of your gym setup. Now, if you guys like this, I loved making this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, but you have something more specific, you want to enhance more of like your balance program home gyms, the stuff that I would recommend just to improve your balance, or you want like kind of what I would call like a home arm upper extremity gym, what I would include in that, definitely put hashtag home gym equipment in the comments below and tell me exactly what you are looking for, whether it's to enhance your balance program at home or to enhance your arm rehab program at home, and I would be happy to do a follow-up video with more specific things around a specific problem that you're trying to address at home. But that is it for today's video. I enjoyed spending time with you all today. I'm actually really enjoying making these little bonus videos. So there's always a positive, there's always an upside when bad things are happening in the world. So I am just grateful that I have this community and I have this platform to be able to do this and still be able to help people even if I can't see people face to face. So I appreciate all of you. Hang in there, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. You all have a great day.